Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be painting some cute Christmas illustrations onto our very own DIY bookmarks. There are 3 different styles to choose from. We will be curving the edges of our bookmarks and adding some colourful tassels to finish them off. Would be a perfect little handmade gift for any book lovers this Christmas. You will need some strips of watercolour paper. I've cut mine to 15 centimeters by 5 centimeters. All the materials I'll be using, the brushes, the paints and the paper will all be in the description. Okay, so let's begin. I'm getting my yellow ochre and painting in a gingerbread man, gingerbread house and some gingerbread stars. Placing them equally apart, I'll follow similar to the previously completed bookmark. And I'll just neaten up those little bits there as well. Moving on to the Christmas candy bookmark, grabbing the black and mixing some white to make it a washed out grey as the base of the shapes of each candy cane and sweets. Lastly, we will be painting orange slices and pine cones. Painting circles for the oranges and then brown cone shapes. To add more interest, I'm going to paint in some green foliage sprouting from behind each orange slice. And then also some here to fill gaps at the edges. Once all have dried, we can begin details. I'm using my light brown to roughly outline each gingerbread. No need to be too tidy with this to give it a cute handmade look. The candies, I will be using a blue, red, pink and green to really bring out some fun festive vibes. Blue stripes painted on the square candy, adding red stripes for the candy canes, some green spirals for our green circular wrapped candy, and then the same style for our pink unwrapped candy. Moving back to our orange and pine cones bookmark, we can now add in some more orange to brighten up the slices. Painting a ring around the edge for the orange skin. To make the pine cone effect, paint some horizontal flat ovals to create the pine cone scales. Repeat for all the pine cones. Going back to our orange slices, I'm going to use my light brown orange to paint in some triangles to resemble the segments. Whilst that dries, I'll return to my gingerbreads. Using some white gouache, I'm adding some white icing, drawing on different designs for each gingerbread cookie. To finish off the bookmark, I'll be adding some gold stars and some of our bright colours used on the candy bookmark to dot around the background. Now to add our last details to the candy. Get a mixed grey to do a little outline of each piece. And once that has been completed, grab your gold paint and add some golden dots between your illustrations. With that same paint, grab your orange slices and pinecone bookmark and also add some tiny golden stars. Let each one fully dry and we can move on to the next step. Now for this section of the video, I'll be using my corner punch. If you don't have one of these, you can manually cut each corner into a neat curve, or completely skip this step and keep as is. I love how tidy and finished the curved edges makes the bookmark look. Then punch a hole at the top ready for our tassels to be fed through. All of your bookmarks are now ready for their tassels. Pop the tassel loop through the hole and then with the tassel side, place it through the loop on the other side and pull tight until the tassel is firmly attached. Repeat for each bookmark. We have now finished. I really hope that you enjoyed following along today and look forward to our next Christmas arts and crafts tutorial together. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe as it really helps my channel to grow and allows me to keep on making more tutorials for you all in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, happy painting!